going on? Well, we're driving. I wonder where we're going. I know.
We're going on a trip
On our favorite rocket ship, going through the stars. Little Einsteins,
Climb aboard.
Get ready to explore.
There's so much to find.
Little Einsteins.
Yay! Well, okay, so we are on our way to
Colorado.
Yes, Colorado. Go there. I've been there a lot when I was a kid. She's never been. Kids has never been. So we're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship.
And we might possibly move.
Maybe, depends.
We're going to see if we want to move there.
I got a job offer there, so we're gonna go. I actually go in there to look at the job offer. So we're going from Missouri to Colorado. It's about 10 hours. So for 10 hours, we're gonna sit in this car and have so much fun, as you can see. Yeah.
Yay!
Excited.
Yay!
We're crammed back here with blankets.
But we will kind of go there and show you some views and all that stuff, and
See for ourselves.
see for ourselves. Well, I've seen it. Like I said, I've been to Colorado when I was a kid. Used to go camping there all
Yeah,
the
but it's
time.
different when you're a kid.
Well, I know that, but it's been many years. So I'm gonna go there and see what happens, do the job offer, see what it's like, and then kind of go from there. But for now, we're still in Missouri. Yay! We'll kind of clip in every once in a while.
Show you where we're at.
Show you where we're at. We don't have to go through very many states. What? Missouri, and then
Kansas,
and then Colorado. So,
Yeah.
so I gotta go through one state other than here.
We're basically coming from Springfield, Missouri.
Yeah, correct. So I've never been through Kansas, so this will be the first.
You just said Kansas.
Kansas.
Never been to Kansas.
Never been to Kansas. Kansas. Never been there. So that's. But now
I don't think it's very. I don't know if it's pretty there.
I don't know either.
It might be.
Is it pretty there?
I don't know.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
And get closer.
And there's a mountain over there. Over there's the mountain. Just look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
It's hard with the bug splatter.
Oh, we are bug collectors, as I've said before. And
Turn right onto East Whitman Road.
just look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Just look at it.
We are.
Just look at it.
So we're going to a restaurant. I don't know which one we're going to go to. So we're going to probably vlog in a little bit. I try to talk for a little bit. We're going to probably, what?
Yeah, get off, okay? Because we want to use up all the space, okay?
I know.
Okay.
I'm just talking about things. Well, we're going to go to the restaurant, like you said, but there's one, you know, you've seen the swimming pool.
Emily.
Wait. Emily, you guys hurry up, so the battery's gonna die.
Starting route to 2034
So I'm just telling you guys.
Okay, so this is where we're staying. 7:44. And then when you walk in, there's a closet and an Emmeline,
Hello.
and a Chase and a Kaylee, and a Chris. Okay, watch out, guys. Watch out. I'm gonna show you the hotel. There's like this little coffee bar area,
And then the whole,
the bathroom,
the beautiful,
and then
the toilet's back
the
out.
toilet.
Furniture's in the toilet.
I like the lights. You like the lights?
The beds.
Oh, wait.
I like the lights.
So we're gonna. So
And then-
we're gonna show you.
Hold on.
You want to show them? No? Okay, we won't show them. We're just gonna do that surprise.
TV.
It's not.
And then let's look at our view.
Let's go look at the door.
It's a horrible view. It's a beautiful view.
Oh, babe, three toes.
That's a huge view of Colorado Mountains. We're on the highest floor, guys. No.
Come look. Come over here, guys. Come on.
Everybody. Look how beautiful it is.
What do you think?
Look how beautiful it is.
Here's the view. Got the mountains in the background.
Mountains, the cheese. Freeway cheddars. You know, you gotta have that cheddar. You can see Starbucks.
Emmeline got birthday ears.
Because it's her birthday.
And then this is our room.
It will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
You flossing? Woo! You guys say cheese. Hold on. I'm gonna take one with my phone. Chase! Okay, so they're up there. Now we just zoom. Chase is doing it pretty good. There's Emmeline. That's too high for me. I'm like, I'm up in a tree house. Can't really see. Yeah.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
All right, what'd you guys think? Chase, what'd you think?
I like it. That was fun.
Emmeline, what'd you think? Emmeline, what'd you think?
Did you get
You did?
Madeline?
Yeah, I did. Yeah? Emmeline wants to say something.
Hi. So we are going downstairs, and so you see we're going into the hallways. So yes, we're going through the hallways. We're just gonna do cool activities. So I'll see you when we get down there. So, see you in a minute. Bye, room. It's the last time we'll be seeing this for a while. But we're going downstairs to do all the activities. So, let's go. I see you at the elevator.
All right, we're in the arcade. Go, baby, go!
You can also do cash. This is Cheddar's. Cheddar's. What, you want Cheddar's? Want Cheddar's? It's food. See, and then the hotel is back over that way. Let's go in here. Ready, Emmeline? Yes, shutters. You ready, guys? Maybe. Once we get a table, we'll get back on with it. Okay?
Do it. Do it.
Even then,
I can't take you anywhere.
I answered.
So guys, when we get to a pool, we will see you. So look. I'll see you in a little bit. Mom.
Bye.
Only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Say bye to the Great Wolf Lodge. You'll be missed. You'll be missed. Emlyn, say bye. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye.
I don't think he is.
Good now. Hook it up, guys.
Okay. You ready? Say bye. So we just went to the Garden of the Gods. And we didn't get to video it in there because we were busy, but this is it. We took pictures, so I'm probably going to insert them in, but my camera's going to die, so if it dies, that's why it'll set it in the cutoff. But yeah.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living
Alright, so we're headed home. We had to say goodbye to Colorado. Even though I don't want to. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't it so pretty? What do you think?
It's pretty here.
I don't want to leave. I mean, look. Ugh. I don't want to leave. Alright. Well, thanks so much for watching. And we'll keep everyone updated if we decide to move here. Right. Right.
Yep.
Yeah, ooh, that was close. Yeah. But yeah. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.